This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
The statement "actions speaks louder than words" is an old saying. It points out that actions are more revealing than words, such that if one is to define somebody, then the definition will rather be based on actions rather than words. There are moments when what people say contradicts what they actually do. This essay presents the opinion that, as the statement implies, actions are better positioned to show the true intention than words. In order to show the validity of the statement, there is a need to understand what it takes to undertake each of the two actions, that is, carrying out the actions and speaking the words. The underlying factor is commitment. As a matter of fact, words are easy to come out, and it really does not take a lot of effort to speak. It is common to hear people lying over the phone about being in one place while they are in a different place. It is worth noting that words can be easily manipulated to fit in a given situation. As a matter of fact, words have become a means of self-expression that people use to define themselves in a way that they see fit. It is almost impossible for somebody to speak badly of him or herself. By using words, it becomes very easy for one to define oneself in a way that appeals to everybody. Therefore, the argument being made here is that words can be easily manipulated to fit to depict a person in a given way, and by the fact that nobody wants to appear strange, then there is a tendency for words to be used to depict what actually might not be true. On the other hand, actions are taxing and demanding and cannot be carried out without good consideration. For a person to get involved in an action, he or she has to be sure of the results. Actions require commitment, as most of them require time and, at times, money. The implication obtained is that for one to swing into action, time and money will likely be used. It is common knowledge that even millionaires do not just waste their time or spend their money in anyhow manner. A consideration has to be made before one engages resources in actions. It is worth noting that the inner motive is the one which will push a person to take action. Unlike words which can just be spoken without much care, actions are only carried out when there is an inner motive to carry the action out. One can only take an action when it is truly his or her wish to do that. The above argument brings to light the fact that words can just be spoken without much consideration, as it does not cost much to speak. Words are also a quick means of self-expression, especially in ways that one wishes to be known, and therefore, words are prone to be misused. Undertaking actions requires considerations to be put into place. Actions cannot be used just in the same way as words. Actions require commitment and can only be undertaken if a person really sees a need to undertake them. That is, one carries out a given action which he or she identifies with. Therefore, it is true as the statement, "Action speaks louder than words." This essay on "Action Speaks Louder Than Words" was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.